Analyzing vacant land allocations in Baitulrahman district using linear discriminant analysis, a case study in Banda Aceh city. By Siti Rusdiana and Muhammad Ikhwan. Linear discriminant analysis, LDA, is a generalization of Fisher's linear discriminant, a method used in statistics, pattern recognition and machine learning to find a linear combination of features that characterize or separates two or more classes of objects or events. Discriminant analysis is one method used in the data analysis that involves many variables. The purpose of the use of discriminant analysis is to classify an individual or observations into groups where there is a free and thorough number of independent variables. It is one of the methods offered in multivariable analysis that can help in land classification. This research resulted in functions and values discriminant that could be used for classification of subdistrict land in Banda Aceh by using Fisher discriminant analysis. The functions and values discriminant that is obtained had been implemented on vacant land data in the subdistrict of Baitulrahman. The results of this research are the subdistrict of Baitulrahman has 340 vacant lands, by which 282 vacant lands are used as protected areas and 58 others are used as cultural areas. The vacant land area in the subdistrict of Baitulrahman is 40.54 ha, where the land area that can be used as a protected area is 32.16 ha, and land area that can be used as cultural areas is 8.324 ha. Furthermore, the discriminant function that is obtained has an accuracy of classifying land of 62.82%. This research is expected to be a recommendation to classify vacant land in Banda Aceh city. Vacant land use for the subdistrict of Baitulrahman can be a consideration to the government, so that further research can be done to classify vacant land directly into 11 land uses in Banda Aceh city. The percentage of test accuracy is quite high, so the function can be used to classify lands blank. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.